blood vessels. The walls of arteries and veins are composed of 3 layers, from lumen outside, which are tunica intima, tunica media, and tunica adventitia. Let's study artery firstly. About arteries, we should pay more attention to the change rule of tunica media, because in arteries, the change of tunica media is the most distinct. Large artery. Large arteries include aorta, pulmonary trunk, and their main branches. This group of vessels belong to elastic arteries because they contain a large number of elastic membranes in the walls. 3 layers in the wall. Tunica intima is divided into endothelium and subendothelial layer. Tunica media is composed of 40 to 70 layers of elastic membranes. Tunica adventitia consists of only connective tissue without mesothelium, so-called fibrosa. The right is the pattern diagram of large artery. These are the light micrograph. The left is stained by He. The right is stained by aldehyde fuchsin. The elastic membranes are stained in purple, veil-like. This is the tunica intima. Tunica media. Tunica media is the thickest layer, composed of 40 to 70 layers of elastic membranes. In the newborn, about 40 layers. In the adult, about 70 layers. Between the elastic membranes, collagenous fibers, elastic fibers, and smooth muscles are to be found. Smooth muscles are special types of fibroblasts. During the development of the arteries, collagenous fibers, elastic fibers, and growth substance are produced by the smooth muscles. Due to the layers of elastic membranes, the main functions of the large artery is to make the blood flux more uniform. Tunica adventitia consists of fibrosa, which connects with surrounding tissues. Medium-sized artery. We should learn it comparing with the large arteries. Tunica intima. In addition to endothelium and subendothelial layer, tunica intima also include the third sublayer, internal elastic membrane. Tunica media is composed of 10 to 40 layers of smooth muscle cells. Tunica adventitia includes external elastic membranes and fibrosa. The left is the medium-sized artery. The tunica media is as thick as the tunica adventitia. Tunica intima. We can see a wave-like layer, internal elastic membrane. It is very prominent. Tunica media is composed of 10 to 40 layers of concentrically arranged smooth muscle cells. So, medium-sized artery is also called muscular artery. The smooth muscle cells are innervated by autonomic nerves, so they can distribute the blood to the tissues and organs. Tunica adventitia. It is often separated from the tunica media by some continuous layers of external elastic membranes. Single arrow points the internal elastic membrane. Double arrow indicates the external elastic membranes. Small artery. Small arteries are between 0.3 to 1 millimeters in diameter. One shows small artery. Compared with medium-sized artery, the wall is thinner. Only several layers of smooth muscle cells are left in the tunica media. External elastic membranes are absent. Only in larger small arteries you can see the internal elastic membrane. Arteriole. Arterioles are less than 0.3 milliliters in diameter. They have only 1 or 2 layers of smooth muscles in their tunica media. The arrow points the smooth muscles. Both small arteries and arterioles are also called muscular arteries. With the innervation of the autonomic nerves, they can regulate blood flux of the peripheral blood vessels and blood pressure.